doing a crazy tournament you do not want to miss over at Resorts World, July 15th. Nice. Go to lbrollers.com and sign up. We are running out of tickets very fast, so make sure you get in there. We might raise the limit. I don't know. We'll see. 3 more from the grand. Let's do it.